Yet another attempt to make a spring pot.
In this attempt, I more or less repeated steps in previous attempts. As usual, cutting off a piece, debarking, and then to drilling. Most of the material I took with Forstner bits. After that, an enjoyment frustration of chiseling out the waste. As soon as I got bulk in the middle, I actually switched to my newly made in canal carving gouge. So this is one major difference in this attempt, as it allowed me to go much easier and cleaner on the sides. I still use my other out canal gouge, but only to do some smoothing out the transition.